In this video, I'll go over the steps used to constructing an equilateral triangle. The first thing that I've started with is a segment AB, and I'm assuming that they've given me this, telling me that they want this equilateral triangle to have this side length. If I happen to give you a problem that tells you how long the line segment should be, that means I'm giving you the permission to use the ruler to measure out that first side. But here, which is much more likely, is I gave myself a line segment, and then now I want to finish off the triangle from there. So what you're going to do is you want to find exactly what this length they gave me was. Now you won't be able to use a ruler to measure it, so the idea is that the compass is going to allow you to measure the length of this side of the triangle. So I'm going to put the center of the compass on one side, that'd be the pointy part, and I want to extend it to reach the other side of the segment, all the way to point A. Now you can do this the other way, it will obviously be the same length. Now that I have this length, I want to create an arc from both endpoints of the line segment. So what I'm saying is this is all of the places where if I were to connect it to point B, that I would have the same distance as AB. Well, I'm trying to build a specific kind of triangle here, so what I want to do is do the exact same thing on the other side, and I should get an overlap if I've done it correctly. And I get it right there. It's a little faint. Let me go ahead and bold it in a little bit. Right there, and that's the point that I'm interested in, because this is the point where the distance is the same on both arcs to the endpoints. Now if I connect the dots, you'll be able to see that it looks equilateral, and we can actually verify that with the ruler if we're unsure of ourselves. So I connect, this is my point C up here, and I now have an equilateral triangle ABC.